Who cares? You do so great. Everything, and everybody's bragging about your decor and stuff. Aww. Yeah, it looks great. Turn it the other way.
Turn it sideways. Because you're not getting in there, Nicole.
What is going on here?
Put it on the sky! Put it down on the ground!
Oh no!
Here, we'll take it! Push the button!
Hey, don't worry about that wet wood. Just so you know, I have dry wood for you tonight.
Oh, nice.
Don't worry about the wet wood.
Oh yeah, look at the gang.
Gang's all here.
1986 camera?
What?
So I couldn't use
You know that thing still looks good.
Back, but I don't have it.
Perfect.
Awesome. We'll take one.
Lord help
Lord help us! Lord forgive us!
I like your outfit.
Oh, thank you! Everyone, that's right!
For sure.
All right, let's go film.
You know what I'm
Good.
Is it on?
It's all
I'm
right.
gonna see if I can get somebody in my boots by the end of the day.
I want to get someone in the bounce house. I'm like,
There you go. We need somebody in the bounce house.
Get in there, Mandy.
I am not getting in the bounce house.
let's go.
No.
Come on. Come on.
Mandy, you got it.
You climbing.
Let's go
Let's go
down.
get in the bounce house. Oh my gosh.
Watch your knees, Mandy.
Oh gosh. I gotta get my boots off. What's the weight limit?
1,000 kids.
Oh God. Oh my God.
I already got that.
Look at the
lowdown
bouncy
on it.
house. This is awesome.
Sponsor on the bounce house.
Yes, you are.
How do you get, wait a minute. How do you get it?
You gotta crawl in there.
Socks only. Get on up in there now.
Oh my God. Randy, are you gonna get in there?
You want me to hold that?
Yeah, let's see. Where's it at?
Oh my God.
Woo!
We're going down.
Woo! There you go. Are you bouncing me now?
Lord, I'm tired.
I'm trying to stand up.
What's the ball for? You gonna play ball?
Oh, right there, the basket. Bounce it.
Oh my gosh.
Tiny Town.
Bouncy cat.
Them ain't got a clue. I had it recording.
Charleston is the next one done.
Now, you know what I thought of? I was like, there'll be too many people, too many kids are going to grab my stuff. I said, forget it. Just let them go through it. Yeah.
Oh, that was.
But if you want to do another one,
I know. And I was like, I know. Let me
Look at that. Isn't that cool?
want to do another one that's completely staged, that would be your Charleston.
Oh, this looks great just the way it is. Yeah. Good grief.
Let me clean this lens off a little bit.
Oh, I bought it? I bought it back. I wanted it. Oh, look.
Oh, there you
so
go.
She's got the thing up there. Yeah.
This is the Mad Hatter.
Yeah, I wanted this back, so
You know what?
This is an awesome house.
I was like, you know what?
Let's take all this out of
I'm
here.
going to get an extension cord so we can at least
Where you
plug it
standing
in.
there?
Yes.
Alice in Wonderland, right?
Yeah.
Mad Hatter.
Yes.
The Mad Hatter,
Beautiful.
Randy.
Just set it in the
It's
sales
the
office
Mad
for now.
Hatter.
I don't want it in any of the models.
No, that's all they need.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Man,
super
it's been a long time since I've been in here.
Oh my God, yeah.
That's where
Well, paper towel. Oh, no, Tim, don't go. Not that container.
That's cool.
No.
Oh Lord, look, he's hitting.
Tim.
Going the wrong way.
Look how great this looks.
Oh, put it in
Let me
there.
put my.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Look at the lights.
Throw it in there, then.
Look at the hat lights.
I know, aren't they cool?
Super cute.
Top
I
hats.
remember we put the hat lights in before it left. We did everything to it just the way it is.
So we need to unstring those because
Yes.
we're going to run electricity to it just for tonight.
Oh, it looks
But
great.
I don't want to unlock and do anything and have them messing with stuff.
Yeah, let's undo everything. They can tour the whole thing.
I'll cut it off.
Neat.
How great is
You
this?
want all, you want the barn door off and everything?
Yeah, open up everything. I think it's great.
Oh, shoot.
Because I was like, oh my God, if I put a tea set, if I put anything, we don't need that.
What am I doing wrong?
Wow, man, that's a nice bed up there.
Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, it looks
I
great.
love
I'm gonna have
it.
to get it. Oh, Tim, take this one.
I love this house whenever
This is cool.
it got done. It was such a big deal. And the Mad Hatter, the actual hat outside, remember when Kevin and everybody was fabricating it?
Yep.
Did you show the outside
Yep.
of it? Oh, looks great.
Well, I remember wanting to do the hat
yes.
on there. That
Oh yeah.
I hate to say it was my idea, but
It was.
I mean,
Well, it was your idea.
and I came up with a garbage can.
Yes.
And then we came up with the metal to wrap around, and
Yeah.
I said needs a brim and then a
Yeah.
ribbon. You wanted a ribbon on it.
I wanted a big ribbon
That was,
on
it was fun to create
It looks
this.
great. Let me look up here. This door is
So
cool.
we need to cut this off.
Oh, this looks great.
Oh, there's the TV behind the door. I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to cut all
Oh
these
my
strings,
gosh,
'cause I don't
how
want-
cute!
Yep.
Is that a plastic cover on that in case the kids get up there?
No, it's but it is a mattress cover,
Should
but
we
it's
put
cloth.
something across there that
Can-
they don't actually go all the way up?
Can you get that window blind, Minda?
Yeah. Hold on.
Man, I like the pipe. See, you got the rail right here for the bed.
I know, right?
Yep.
That's so cool.
Oh, there you go.
It is really the coolest
All right.
thing ever.
I love this house.
This storage
is
under
a
the
cool
stairs,
house.
it's so cool.
There we go.
What are we going to do with this house, Amanda?
I don't know yet.
Oh, Tex
We
already
were-
said he wants to buy it.
You know, we were fortunate enough. The lady that bought it, she had it on an Airbnb and did really well with it and stuff.
Sorry.
And she actually contacted Randy and asked if we would want to buy it back. And Randy and I decided, yes, that we wanted it back. It's just a piece of art. You know, tiny house art is really what it is. And because there was so much that went into doing this house, and we were all just so excited whenever it was being built and the little things that got added. Remember when Brett?
Door.
Remember when Brett was here?
Yep.
Brett did a lot of this.
The trim and stuff.
The trim
We
and
just
stuff
let
like
him
that.
have fun with it.
Look at all the boards that we used, all the lumber that we used, and the different shapes. We really wanted it to be a special house, and I'm very happy that we have it back. And I don't know what our plans are. We wanted to show it tonight for Halloween.
This is how we used to do so many homes. The people
Yes.
let us have the creativity
Yes.
to do stuff, and it was just fun.
Absolutely. Even look at the lights. See how the lights kind of look like a top hat?
Yeah.
That's really cute. Now, the homeowner before that had it, she put this up, and I think this is really cute. It's kind of like a Mad Hatter kind of uniform,
Outfit, yeah.
costume. So she's put that on there. But everything else Incredible Tiny
Leave the
Homes
doorbell.
did. I know. We put these bars up. I remember the metal bars and everything.
Yep, to go upstairs.
Yeah. Show the barn door, Randy, too.
Well, this is a piece of live edge
Yeah.
right here. And it's so big. Look how big it is.
Oh,
Live
it's
edge.
beautiful.
Yep.
Hey, I wanted to show these stairs too, really quick, Randy. I don't know if you were able to kind of show what they are, but do you remember how we did those? Some of them are regular, but then some of them were slid in like kind of a rectangle, not rectangle, but kind of triangle looking. I don't know what you would call that, but to make it more whimsical, like, because we wanted the house to be as whimsical as possible.
And they put these skid resistors on here.
Yes, which is pretty. I mean, it matches and got the window. Let me get down here.
Love these cabinets. So it's just that's our
Super cute.
Well, you know what? That is the plywood looking. Yeah, it's the whole sheet.
And
that makes
super
that door.
whimsical. Let me show this over here. Remember whenever we did the tops like this? I'd forgotten that
That's beautiful.
a long time ago. But right here, the shelving, look how simple the shelving is. That is just like live edge, just put on there and it's just screwed on there. So pretty.
Yep.
Right? And this
Well,
right
this is a combination of what I used to do when I built my very, very first tiny home.
yeah.
And we were able to build the cabinets real simply like this. Look, that's how simple that
It's
is.
just super simple.
And this is the old Randy rack.
There's the
right here.
Randy rack. Yes.
Wow.
Show the bathroom. Did you show the shower? Remember the shower and the window? I mean, just
So
there's-
that's our half moon.
Yeah.
Trimmed it out and just wood. It's just different sizes and.
just whimsical,
Love
just fun. Look at the corners. See how the corners, the
and
wood's
there's
just
a
different.
regular shower.
Yep.
that we
Trimmed
put in-
out.
Yep.
How nice.
That is neat. And it's lasted good. They've had this on an Airbnb.
Yes. Oh, look, she added a clock. She did this too. It says Charleston on it. Look at that. How cute is that? But we call this house the Mad Hatter, and of course that's from Alice in Wonderland. And you did show the outside in the hat,
I did.
right?
Yep. Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
So,
let me get this toilet.
what size is this house, Randy? 18 or?
I think it's.
It's a,
Step it up. I think it's 18.
I think it seems like it's an 18.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 16.
16. Okay. How cute. Look how
All
cute.
this in a 16
in a
foot house.
16 foot.
It's got that beautiful dormer up there.
And guys, this is a custom build, of course,
Yeah.
you know.
Wow.
Custom build, and man, it was fun.
Somebody's gonna want this.
I know. Well, we don't know what we're going to do with it. It's not for sale right now.
No.
I may want to keep it. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. So
This is neat.
let's just, as I say, let's just study on it.
Just study on it.
Let's show the hat one more time.
Okay.
I just want to show that. How cute that is. Oh gosh, my legs.
So the sun's a little reflective on here. So
Yeah.
You can really show the.
Does this shut? How is that open? Oh, the stairs behind it. Okay, I see. Yeah.
The weather vane on the top.
Look how cute that
Still
could be.
has to, the top of the weather vane's not on there yet.
Yeah.
But and then the shutters.
Yeah.
The copper roof.
Have you got a microphone?
Yours, I gave you mine.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't know where yours.
Well,
yours
that's
is.
okay. Anyway, so the shake shingles and the copper roof, which that just set it off. It looked really pretty. The purple was just, and this is LP siding.
Yep.
The LP
Yep.
siding on
No,
here.
Amanda, we're offering LP siding on our new wood-built RJO.
Yes.
So you can get this RJO built home.
Yeah.
We're bringing it back to life, and our Amish are going to build it.
Oh yeah, super cute. So I love it. Anyway, this is a fun house. This is just another something that we've done over the years, that we would do custom builds and we would accommodate and do something fun and what people would want. This was a themed Airbnb that did really well. So we are happy to have it back. I'm tickled to have it back here. So we don't know what we're going to do with
You know
it, but
what?
we'll
I
see.
bet you we could replicate this. Our Amish would love to have
Oh, yeah.
fun creativity. We could
And
show
look
them
at
how to do it.
remember when we used to do the tongue boxes right here? Mini splits up tall right there. The big picture window over here, Randy, that you can see. How fun. This purple is just beautiful. I love the purple.
Clean that roof off a little bit. They have
Yeah,
it in the trees.
sure.
The LP siding, we offer that all kinds.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, this is just something fun we want to show. And tonight, if you come here, happy Halloween to our little event that we're having from 5 to 8 tonight. I thought it was 6 to 8, but it's 5 to 8. But look here, Randy, did you show? The ladies are so busy. Melody and Chris are super busy here. But they put hay bales
Yep, that fire pit.
around there with the fire pit and everything for the kids. You're going to be able to tour the Mad Hatter, okay? You're going to be able to tour that. What else are they going to be able to tour? Zero. Okay, well,
Zero.
hey, listen, nothing.
Zero.
But we just showed you the bouncy house.
We
The
don't
ki-
want to track up these houses.
Yes.
All the people and everything.
The only one we're
We
gonna
take
have-
really good care. These homes are actually privately owned.
Yes.
That are from our assembly line.
These are not models. These homes are sold and done. They belong to customers. But you are going to be able to be in the Mad Hatter tonight and tour it. Going to be able to have a fire. The ladies have done some s'mores bags for everybody. That's going to be a lot of fun. So we're excited to see the trick-or-treaters coming and everybody dressed up and residents giving out candy. So just watch us tonight. We're going to try. Melody, can we go live tonight? Is there internet up here? So we could go. So we're going to try and go live tonight.
Nice.
That will be fun. We're going to try and go live tonight. So that's going to be a sight.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
there's going to be hot cider.
And we're going to do a tour right now of the.
Yeah, we're going to do a separate video.
containers.
Yeah, we're going to do a
Video.
separate video, but they're going to have hot cider. They've got the bouncy house, trick-or-treating, going to have the fire, going to have the s'mores bags. You can tour the Mad Hatter. It's going to be just a big night of Halloween fun.
Come see us.
Come see us tonight. 850 Industrial Road, Newport, Tennessee, 37821.
Bye.
All right, bye.